Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Stamping Scoops. Today I just wanted to give you a quick tip on this kids bike helmet that we recently got. It is a specialized LED kids bike helmet. Show you the box here real quick. It is a Shuffle LED youth helmet, specialized. We haven't actually used it yet, so we don't have any feedback on how it performs, but apparently we were a little light challenged when we first got it, so we thought we'd give you a tip, hope it helps somebody. The light on the back, it worked a little differently than any of the bike lights we've had in the past. Those had buttons. This one, it has a little plastic tab that you pull out, kind of standard in electronics. First time you use it, you pull out the plastic tab that's on the side, and then to get the light to actually go on, you push in the center of the light. Push again and it will blink. Push again and it will turn off. So I hope that helps somebody. It doesn't make a click, it doesn't make a sound when you push on the light, but if you just push in the right spot, right in the center, that should do it. So I hope that helps somebody. Have a great day. Bye.